onion, shake and bomo, pepper, my maggi, okra, salt, crayfish, obroko, red oil, prawns, and the family of the food. I wash my meat well, very well. Come pour hot water for the obroko. Come cut am small small, make it for full the pot. Come pour the obroko join the meat. Come turn am well well. Come cover the pot. Come cut my onion. Come pour am enter the pot where the meat dey. Come pour my salt and my maggi. Come turn am well well. Come wash my okra with salt, cause na vegetable make everything wey dey am comot. Come blend my pepper. Come dey do some kind mumu thing. All work and no play. I come dey cut my okra small small o. Yes. Come say make I do small thing take see road. Make I wash my face. Come open the pot make I check whether everything don mix together. Don't miss everything, don't miss. Say make I test am, know whether salt and maggi reach am well well. I no too trust am. Say make I kukuma use bomo, take know whether the thing enter meat. Come say turn am well well well. That one wey I drink no too reach me. I say make I drink another one. If it be say na drink make me no get the taste of maggi and salt, say make I kukuma pour another one enter body. Make I feel dey get taste. I come pour am enter. Na so. And my red oil be that o. Say make I put red oil, make I dey measure am with pot. Abi spoon. I pour the first one, the thing no turn. I pour another one, the thing no change color. I kukuma complete am 3. Now I know wetin dey sup. I come finally turn am. The thing come dey look like soup small small. So I cover am all. Come pour crayfish. Come dey pour ogbono. I no know the Igbo name. Come dey pour the ogbono. As the thing no wan come dey thicken the thing. Say my kukuma dey pour am dey go. Say with time the thing fit thick. I dey pour am o, dey pour am o. The thing no dey thick. I dey pour am dey check am, the thing no dey thick. I don't know wetin dey happen. Come the reason say, well, you sure say this thing na ogbono? As the package am come there, the thing no dey give me joy at all. The thing no dey look like ogbono. I say make I kukuma pour everything enter the pot, see whether the thing go thick. Cause this ogbono wey I suppose use like 800 times or 500 times, but I don't kukuma use am once. I pour everything enter there once. I say they turn am. The thing can't take much, but you know to give me. But if you change a vegetable time, I know say your eye they go for that drink. But when I come out turn am, make the thing finish, man, I know they see am as I dey cook. I can't wash my vegetable. I dey use salt in case if you get any jam with the inside, make it kukuma come out. I can't wash them thoroughly, very very well. I can't wash them. Even though say na many times I wash them, the things they change color. I don't know where the harvest and come from. Don't take my time, wash the vegetable very well. See water. We come out for the second time, a bit third time. Come see 1 trip of sand where they under the bowl where I take wash the vegetable. On the cut the vegetable. Come pour my pepper enter pot. I say man, try again, man. That drink they enter my eye. I cook my wash face. Come check am. The thing don't dey look like soup. Oh, you see am? No, you won't come with that to na okra soup. Say man, I pour the okra join. Don't be like say the okra sef big pass the pot. Abi, na my eye dey pain me. Come pour the okra. That one never finish. I still get another container of okra wey dey come more. Come pour the final okra. Yes, pour down the food. Where vegetable won't come enter now. We go find way. We go press am, shaking together, pressing down. We go put vegetable anywhere where we see. We put them there. But we go put cover the pot, carry block, put on top am. Yes. So press am. Press am. Again, no dey too much. Press am. The blood capsule will be that as you see am. So finally, it's about to go down. Yes, come cover am. Yes. Yes. I mean, a final opening with this. We check whether the thing don't turn to soup, abi don't turn to yam. Or more. It could be say the thing don't dey burn self for under. Abi na jollof rice I cook. Okay, na soup. No okra soup. Na so. Many hold up, no gree the pot, the spoon enter down. Many hold up there for road, the thing no dey fit turn. Hold up there, Lagos traffic. Now wow. Then we come put the prawns. Na so, we put the prawns. You see as I dey count am so that if anyone miss, I go know who take am. If you come my house, na 2 I go give you, no go pass 2. Because the thing cost, the thing expensive. If you like, and go buy am. You no pass like this, so. Hail Dabasi dey learn work, almost seafood wey man pikin cook. Who wan pay my bride price? Who wan pay my bride price? Who wan see soup na? Who wan pay my bride price? Say make I kukuma cover am, come comot am from pot. Abi how you see am? Check am na. Who dey check am? Almost see soup na. See soup wey man cook. See soup wey man cook. How you see this soup na? I wan see wetin you think in comment section. If you no know what to tell me, call me husband material 100 years. E get as e be say you watch this soup wey I cook, you no tell me anything. Tell me wetin you think. I wan hear wetin you think. I dey wait. See soup na, see as e be. I say as this thing oyibo thing, make I use fork and knife take chop am. But I no dey understand anything with that fork and knife. I try, the thing no gree. I just carry am keep. But I no buy garri. I forget semo. Say make I use hand run am. Anywhere na way. Make I use hand run am. Make I use shaki take start. Make I use shaki. Shaki go make sense. Omo, see I don close my eye.